Ndizi TV, ubwanzu bw'Omugusii.
Kigima mwanchi muliya bitaseni kya Ndizi TV no basemera kwane buna kwabere kogotwara oborigeria borobia nabayigo kwego kelya emerobelyo a imigetaseni kya Ndizi TV no birebinde ndengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya elindengo manye na rebereka gokolekana kora chingongo chensi inye chense asense mo chiche mitandao asense mo ya Facebook na bakonda gotobwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabayiga sense media YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asense moye website na bakotanya gwetera www.ndizitv.net iritrene Fridah Kerubo naliyo kaineke bna chibi channel yogira gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Sara Momanyi asense moche bioro kelyo ni gotoko bwatanere Lydiah Mose chinga kitoroche abaliki bamangana kora sorgo ngorwa Gusii ningo bagenderete ne merobelyo yokonyora Amayia korase kiombe kyabaliki bamangana gya Media Council of Kenya kubwatrana na UNESCO na boigo Africa Media Academy na boigo University ya Kisii na boigo asichinse moche chisemi nigo mwaziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machogomba kyabakagwikirana ase county ya Mombasa ase aberega kubolya abateneli bekiombe gya COPS kwane kebunangubwa tukabale aborokigwa elinda kwane kebunango sobare ase college na boigo University utikana na magana ringete chisemi nigongo kumanya buna nigo aborokiwa batano na babere bakobekwa biara na banyanyimbo ba DCI kubwatikana no gosambwa weskuru Momanyi muligereria hayongati yali nkwaliganete aso mugorobolero toskatanyegera gwira nanda sege Kerubo elinde ngomanya mange asinchira yobwenye mwanchi omurigereria ngo kwaligani bene linde tobeto gosanga aso bwamo gochaka bono iga goika omoilyo koyachaka Amayia yebirebiga nigo tokoyachaka korwa sorgo ngorwa Gusii asingo kumenya buna nigo ekiombe kyabaliki amangana Media Council of Kenya kubwaterana na UNESCO amona Africa Media Academy amone University ya Kisii nigo bagendete korwa Amayia gochia ase abaliki bamangana ekirenga kyabekenene no kwene kebunango tinyabale obokoleri asabaliki bamangana nabayigo ko basegeta elinde gokora emirimo yabo oboikiranu chinga kyecho boigo nigo bagendete kwerobelya oboikiranu bosi obogechengera litkoreredie asensengima asomorobele yo gosogo chengo kokora bekogokorekana chitariki 13 cyumutenyo kabere cyo mwako yoiga bwechirububere emerongevere nanye
of citizen journalism, issues of auto-generated data and news. And until we're able to upgrade our skills, we might find ourselves having been left behind. Let us learn to interpret data. Let us learn to work with technology. Let us embrace diversity and let us do research. We should be journalists who are not just desktop journalists. I have had a lot of challenges quite a number of times when I'm working with journalists. You ask somebody to cover a story and they still will ask you to give them a write-up.
Domicile here, so 6 radio stations. Nyamira ndio nadhani wako na moja. The second one is coming up. So you can see almost every count. If media was dying, why are people opening these radio stations? So the journalism classes, the journalism halls will continue growing because there is demand for information.
Public interest journalism is about storytelling and giving the solution. And giving the solution is not a prescription, guys. It is a proposal. It's not a prescription, it is a a proposal of possibilities, of things that people can do differently. Even that so-called county government that you are accusing of not working, tell them how they can improve. Don't just say the bad things they are doing. At the end somewhere, say, we propose, because you are a part of people.
Umuwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu Ombaki nigo litukulia lero abakagwikirana ime county ya Mombasa asogosiere bene omurubiri obokwenana amaigiryo nabo igogosegeta ababwatani b'ekisemi okwana nigo abolia ababwatani gose obotenene likorwa sensemo ya COOPS kwangoya obokoleri bwabo nabo igogochora aborokiwa abarabe bagosoa asensemo ya college nabo igochi university sekirengagio kwa chinga kichinyororo wizara yekisemi ase okubwatoka chibesa waigoni go ainekebna nigo babeire bagokiania emirimo ya botambe gose compulsory subjects korwa 5 goika ebere.
I have instructed Madam is here, the CEO of COOPS, to ensure that the placement process is completed early enough to give successful and eligible applicants adequate time to apply for the government loans and the scholarships and the new funding model, and also to give me more time, plus the PS, to start now working on the exact figures, because as I've said, it has serious implications on finances. We had to do away with the 5 compulsory subjects because we found it was unnecessarily becoming restrictive, unnecessarily so. So we said 2 compulsory subjects for us. On the mathematics and one of the languages. The languages can be either English language, Kiswahili, or Kenya Sign Language, and that did not mean that I'm in any way demeaning our national language known as Kiswahili.
Amate abairi naboigo abasani nigo bagendete goichanira engana yogosira kwaye Kelvin Kiptum oyo oberega koba omuminyoki egiata asekolende abaraikura Chinsemo bagendete wesoke bene naboigo gotuma amagomba abo gochia ase amate litkolero nigo omwaziri wechigosori Ababu na Mwamba abagakurwa engora ya bene gochia ase amate yanyagosira Kiptum okwana nigo ainekebna nigo serikali erachikobwaterana nabo igo kwainekebna nigo emerobere yonsi yokomoenia yekiranire.
Wanted to inform the nation that we are consulting in government. We officially informed His Excellency the President of this tragic accident immediately it occurred. And as soon as the consultations are concluded, we'll be making an official announcement on how we are going to proceed forward with final respects for this national hero. Kelvin Kiptum is a national hero by any standard, by any stretch of the imagination. And we will honor him in death as we honored him in life. We will be traveling to Kaptagat in the next couple of hours. To view Kelvin's remains and to consult with the family. And after all these consultations, we will share a more comprehensive.
Abo bisa ba DCI nigo babekire byara aborokigwa batano na babere korwa ase skuru ya Kapsirowa. Aya magega yo muliro gotibuka ase skuru yo nabago gosamba ebinte binge asasaranene yabete gekoenekigwa. Okwana abarayikorwa sensemo ya Chiringani nigo babere bakomochia egekorekyo nabago kubolia abanyanyimbo koeneke bnango korabale obutukibo isaine nabali abarabe bagotokekana nama mochoba bakwimukirwa egetambukero kibwenerete.
Ni jambo la aibu sana, na wale wenye walihusika na haya maneno wachukuliwe sheria kali ile tu ya kawaida. Hapa hakuna huruma, ama mnasemaje? Sisi tungekuwa tunafikiria mambo mengine ya kufanya, lakini ona sasa, kama siku hiyo ingetokea bahati mbaya tupoteze watoto wetu ingekuwaje?
Amayia nigagendete koenekigwa asensemo ya Limuru magayo morokia oyo mogoitwa asenchera etamanyiri kolengana ni amate ya Nyagusira nigo Irene ngeno aumeranete na makweli aye Chinsa kianda ase abantu batamanyiri babete bagotalera enkayaya naboigo koenekia egekorekyo kolende nigo baganire abanyanyimbo gotumika chikamera cha CCTV elinde gokora obutuki na boigo konyora obwene.
Mboro alikutwa na mkora, akamdunga kwa kisu na akaaga. Irene ni bibi ya my cousin, na tuko na huzuni sana kama familia kwa sababu tunaomba tupate kiini cha hii mauaji. Tunaomba serikali na Kenya Police na DCI watusaidie kama familia ili tuweze kujua nani aliua mwalimu Irene.
Kuna picha kadhaa za kuna kamera, na hiyo kamera DCI na askari wamejaribu kuangalia, na ile kitu wameona hawajatuambia ni nini, kwa sababu tukiwauliza wanasema uchunguzi ni yao, sisi tungoje ripoti kutoka kwao. Kwa hivyo hatujaingia kujua kumepatikana au bado patikana, kwa sababu wanasema uchunguzi iko chini yao.
Hoko ngusana na igoro yendemero ya serikali nigo kogendete koenekigwa ime county ya Trans Nzoia maiga ya barayikorwa se county yogotwara chitobauti igoro yenganeyo. Okwana omugavana George Natembeya nigo ayenekire kobwaterana ne serikali enene elinda koeneke buna bali babete bakugura endemere yonkonyora bali ase bakoigama chingake chobo igo nigo omonogeri bwebunge enene Mose Wetangula ayenekire gutwara egeikaro na barayikorwa Chinsa mecho elinde gosonsora enganeyo.
Na rais akakuja pale kwa bus park, watu walikuwa karibu 1400 pale, na rais akasema kwamba wale watu ambao wamenyakua shamba ya prison sio ile ambayo iko town, main prison yake 3000 eka 2700 imefanya nini? Imeibwa. Wale ambao mmenyakua mko na mambo matatu, sio mimi nilisema, ni rais alisema kuna mambo mangapi? Akaambia ni mambo gani? Wananchi wenyewe wasema hii, wengine wakasema hii, wengine wakasema hii, akasema ni nyinyi mmesema na wale wezi wamefanya nini? Wamesikia. Sasa bwana, mimi nasikia tena watu wanaanza kufanya mikutano kusema ati Natembeya ameenda akaambia president afukuze watu kutoka kule kwa prison.
Many people, many other leaders in Trans Nzoia who are really pushing this agenda of evicting people in this land do not have Trans Nzoia's interests at heart, including the governor of Trans Nzoia, His Excellency Governor Natembeya. It is not right, and I think my conscience does not allow whatever is happening. I've been called by many residents moving their things.
Hawa jamaa wala walichukua shamba ya prison. Najua kuna watu wetu wachache ambao walinunua shamba kwa wala ambao waliiba shamba. Mtu amenunua eka moja, amenunua point. Hawa watu ni watu wanaumia kabisa. Kama ni kutolewa, lazima watafutiwe mahali pa kwenda. Lakini mimi kwenda kuomba rais atuacha wekeza nako neka 3,000, atuacha waliendema kwa neka 2,000, kweli mpaka kwa lazima yani. Nitakuwa nafanya nini mimi?
Na hii mambo tutayatatua. Na mimi kama kiongozi wenu nitakuwa mstari wa mbele kuongea na rais na vitengo mbalimbali za serikali kuhakikisha mambo yenu haiendi.
Mwanchi umurigereria korwa soro batioroni na ikiromo elio bwamangana maya asevre biga kurendeto ska twanyegerage koraga ensa eyemo ayona mange ne nyara sinchira iyo bikirano nabakwenda gutobwatia asinsemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sensemeria YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabagotunya gwetera www.ndizitv.net kamera soko ene kibuna ebichana boigelio gire gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Sara Momanyi tobe tukubwata nere Lydiah Mose asinse moche byorkelio na ncheria ne Fridah Kerubo kuganilia obuligeria borobia.